Hello everyone, welcome to the practical series for FYCS class. So today we will do the study of logic gates. So I am using this Multisim software by National Instruments. So here there are many options. Okay. So the very first thing is to select the logic gate. So I can click anywhere here. Now it gives this options. So now this is the master database, and here we have various groups. As you can see, there are various groups are available. So for selecting any logic gate, we go in this miscellaneous digital. I just click here. So on this component side, we can see there are many gates are available, and they are arranged in alphabetical order. So we start with the NOT gate. So this is the NOT gate. I click here and OK. So I get a NOT gate. Now for testing the working of a NOT gate, we need a power supply. So again we can click anywhere here. So here now to select the power supply, I go in this sources. In sources we will get many options, so click on power sources. In power sources, many power sources are available, so we click on VCC. So this VCC gives a plus 5 volt. So this is plus VCC. I click it OK. So this I select it here. Then for now, as we can see, this power supply, if I connect directly to the gate, I cannot turn it off again. I have to disconnect it. So one of the way of turning it on and off is by using a switch. So we need to select the switch now. So I click here anywhere. Okay, and here we can click on basic. Just below you can see basic, and then we can see there is a switch. Okay, so when I click on switch, I get here many options. So I have to I will select it DIP SW1. Okay, select this switch DIP SW1 and make it OK, and then put it here. Now this is we have the power supply, the switch, the gate. Now how to check the output? To check the output, we need some indicator. So an LED we can say. So as we can see, there is option of indicator here. Now a lot of indicators are available here. So I click on probe. Okay, probe, and when I click on probe, on the right side I get so many options. So probe blue, probe dig, and so on. So I suggest you can select any of the colored one. See, this is colorless, so when it glows you won't know whether the output is high or low. So better select a red one. So I select a red one. I make OK, click OK. Now all the components have been selected. Now just we need to connect. So for connecting purpose, I just click on this point, left click and drag, and left click, drag, left click, drag, and left click. Now the connection is complete. Now we need to run this particular circuit. So you can see there is a run button here. I click the run button. Now this is open switch. Okay, open switch means input is 0, and this is glowing. Okay, this is glowing, it is on. So on means 1. So input is 0. As you can see, open switch is off, so there is no input. No input means 0 is the input, and because it is glowing, we get output as 1. Now if I make it as 1, now input is 1, output is 0. So this is how we verify the working of the NOT gate. Okay, now let us check this is what the working of NOT gate is. Now let us check the working of a AND gate. Okay, so we need to stop the application. Okay, because if we don't stop the application, we won't be able to select any other component. Now I will just remove this, right click and delete. I will let other components remain because I will need it in the other gates. So now I need to check the working of an AND gate. So I come here I go in miscellaneous digital. I have to select a AND gate. So alphabetical order, I have to go up. This is AND gate. Okay, I place it here. Okay, now this components, whatever we have selected, they will be available in use line. Okay, you can say in use. So we don't need to select VCC, we already have. Now because this AND gate is a 2 input AND gate, we need to have 2 switches. So one is already there, So I will select one more switch. Okay, this switch I will place it here. Rest is okay, we don't need to make any other changes. So we have to just connect this here. Okay, connect the first input to up and this down here, and this is the output. Okay, so now we run the application, run this particular gate. We just need to study the working of the gate. So this is 0 0 is 0, then 0 1 is also 0, 1 0 is also 0, and 1 1 is 1. So this is how the AND gate works. 1 1 is 1 and rest all are 0. Okay, so this was the working of AND gate. Now we need to check the working of OR gate. So I just stop the application. Now one of the good feature of this application is that we can replace the component. So we don't need to just delete it and bring in another component. I will just right click, okay, and you can see there is the replace component option. I'll just replace it with a OR gate because I need to check the OR gate. Okay, so this is two input OR gate. Okay, now this has been replaced. Everything is same because we need two inputs and one output. That's what we get. We just need to change the gate. I will just change the gate. Now again we start the application. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is also 1, and 1 1 is also 1. Okay, so this is how the OR gate works. After OR gate, we'll check the working of a NAND XOR gate, XOR. Okay, so I just come here, replace component, and we can see EOR. Okay, here the name of this gate is EOR. As you can see, this is EOR. EOR means XOR. This is the symbol. Okay, so now the working of this EOR, I just turn it on. So 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 0. This is EOR. Okay, now let us see the working of a NAND gate. So I just right click here, replace component, and NAND, NAND. So this is NAND 2. Okay, now this is replaced. Now I turn it on. 0 0 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 0 1 is also 1, and then 1 1 is 0. Okay, and NAND gate 1 1 is 0. We can verify this. Okay, so in NAND gate any input is 0, output becomes 1. Then we will study the next is the NOR gate. I just replace the component NOR NOR 2. Okay, now let us turn it on. So 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and 1 1 is also 0. So this is the working of NOR gate. So if any input is 1, output becomes 0. Now we have to check XNOR gate now. So I'll just replace the component. So it is ENOR. So this is EOR. So this is ENOR is here. Okay. So now we turn on. 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and 1 1 is 1. So that is how we check the working of the gates, basic gates as well as the other gates. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.